Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create fixed header row in Google Sheets. So if you create a spreadsheet with lots of value like this, and if you scroll down, you can see that the headline here at the top will disappear, so you don't know what this is called, for example, and you want to create a fixed header row. Unfortunately, unlike in Google Docs, there's no such a feature directly that you can create a header for your file. So what you need to do is just freeze the row. So let's say I want to make this to as the header. So I'm going to just freeze the rows until here, until the A9. So what you need to do is just drag your cursor, hover your cursor in here. So when I do that, there will be this hand icon shown. So what you need to do is just drag it down to the desired row, just like this. And now when I scroll down, you can see that the headline will always be here. So I know what these columns or these rows are about. So if you want to do that with column, you can also do the same step. You can just drag your cursor in here and you can see this gray thick line. You can just drag it to where you want you want to freeze the column. I'm going to go with here. Okay, I cannot do that because there's a merge cell. So if you want to, you can just adjust it how you like it. I'm going to go with here now. When I swipe, these these columns will still be here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.